Here we go, guys. Pixar Place. Oh my goodness. Look, they live. They live.
Infinity and beyond.
The toys live. Oh, look at that, Mom. I think I just had an idea. Pretty jazzy. That's a baby one. That's a baby grand. Nice.
So fresh. Appreciate it so much from and it's just really lovely working. Well, I was playing on that.
So, we're here at our Pixar Place. Guess what we found ourselves? In the gift shop! Let's go shopping! Cars! Buzz Lightyear! Woody! Oh, look at all these art. Nice.
How much?
Ooh, you know I like a good hat. And because this is a DVC, you can actually get
Take this out of here.
all the stuff you may not have, you forgot to bring. There it is. What's in this corner? And if you get really bored, board games! And a really cool castle. Nice. Let's continue looking around, shall we? I wonder what Pixar movies there was. Don't know. Maybe you guys can see some Pixar movies that could have been... Yeah, just call them out if you see anything, or... I'm not 100% sure what ones there are. Wish I had a clue. I wish I had a clue. If my soul could tell me now, I wish I had a clue.
I think it's just right here.